Okay, apologies for not uploading in a few weeks, but I've had issues with my computer. But get down to the video. This is a TTcombat Gothic Corner Ruins C. They do a few of these buildings. It's part of the Gothic sci-fi series, which I think is aimed at tabletop games such as Warhammer 40k. I bought it specifically to use as a bombed out building in a Fallout animation. Unfortunately, they've already come out now with some ruins in the city street line, which is the line I've been using for buildings. But I think I'll pick up a few of those later on. Just quite simple, these things are just 4 corners, and they're made from MDF, it's laser cut, and some cardboard for the embellishments, such as here and here. So yeah, as you can see, I've decorated it with some of the TTcombat accessories. They don't come with these planks of wood that go one over the doors or the bullet holes. I've added those in extra. This was just basically, I painted it grey, hit it with some dry brushing of light grey and then a black wash, and the same with the wood. Painted base coat of dark brown with a light brown wash, dry brushing over the top and black wash. So yeah, it's quite a short video, this one. There'll be a little slideshow with some better pictures. And I think this is pretty much it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll try and get another video up for the end of the week to make up for lack of content.